Hey there digital friends, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video you are going to see the unboxing of the Oppo Enco M31. These Bluetooth earphones are available for 2000 rupees, and I have searched for so many Bluetooth earphones for under 2000, but I am surprised with the reviews of this product. So I have bought it to see whether these reviews are true or not. So let's start with the unboxing and then let's go through the review. So here is the earphones and this is how the box look. The main good thing is that these earphones support the LDAC audio, which means the audio quality will be really good with these earphones. So let's unbox this. So here is a small pull tag. With this we will be getting the earphones. So here is the Oppo Enco M31 earphones. So under the box you can see some paperwork like quick guide and warranty card, etc. So and here we have a small box also. So let's see what's inside. So we get the Type-C cable for charging, which is a very good thing. So and we also have the extra ear tips. So let's keep all of them aside and let's see the earphones now. So these are the Oppo Enco M31 earphones. This is a in-ear neck type Bluetooth earphones, and on both the sides of the earphones we can see the Oppo brand. So this is how the earbuds look, and they are magnetic also. So on the left side when you can see the volume up and down buttons, which we can also use it to change the tracks also. On the bottom we have the notification light and the multifunctional switch, and on the right we have nothing. This is how the earphones look, and let's enter the review. Let's start with the build quality. We can say that the build quality is really good. It's made up of plastic, but it doesn't feel like a cheap quality plastic. The quality is really good, and as it's a neckband type of earphones, near the neck area they also applied a rubber type coating, hence it was very smooth and very comfortable. Let's come to the earbuds. The earbuds are good in shape and they are like small in size, hence they fit perfectly in the ear and they don't fall from the ears even we shake our head. Regarding the power on and off, these earphones are magnetic, and hence to turn it on it's very simple. We just need to open up, and to power it off we just need to close them, and there's no separate button especially to turn on and off these earphones. So as soon as you turn on the earphones they connect automatically. As the earbuds are small in shape, we can even lie on bed by wearing them, and we don't get any kind of pain in ear. I also attended continuous online classes for 4 hours and watched some movies continuously, but these earphones are very comfortable for them. Hence in the comfort department I have to say we can go for it, and even sometimes I didn't even notice that I am wearing them as they are very light. As these earphones had Bluetooth 5, the range is really good. I even tested this by placing the mobile in the center of the house and moved the entire house, and I didn't face any disconnection in the music. Hence it has a decent Bluetooth range, and they are also IPX5 water resistant, hence there is no need to worry about the sweat and light splashes of water on the earphones. Now let's talk about the call quality. The call quality is really good as the microphone is good. I tested this and the other side person didn't complain about the call quality, and they also says that it has a AI noise cancellation, and hence they didn't hear any kind of noise when taking the calls. The call quality is really good. Now regarding the latency and all, these earphones have a little latency, but we can't notice until we try to notice it. During the gaming we have to say it as a slight of 1 second gap between the sound, hence the gamers might feel that they have a latency in this earphone. Now when we see these earphones support the LDAC and the high-res audio, which is not available in other earphones in this price range. Usually when we start the music and we listen, we will be listening the audio in the normal balanced mode, which means which has a neutral signature of the sound, and when we double press the multifunctional button, we activate the bass mode, and the bass mode is really good. It creates like we are in an empty hall and we can feel the sound like that. The sound quality is very good and they have done a very good job. The instruments and the stereo separation is really good and we can hear them very clearly. The vocals are very clear and you can enjoy listening music. I even watched music and the experience was really good. And when I watched the movie, I felt like I am in a theater during the movie. The multifunctional button plays a really crucial role in these earphones as they can change the sound signatures between the balance and the bass mode. If you don't like the bass very much, you can listen in the balance mode, but if you want a good kind of bass, you can enable this bass mode. Now let's talk about this LDAC. This LDAC is a Bluetooth technology developed by Sony to transfer high quality audio. Normal Bluetooth can transfer up to 450 kilobits, but this LDAC can transfer up to 990 kbps, and hence we can hear high quality audio. And to get this audio, we need to use the FLAC or WAV audio codecs instead of MP3, as MP3 can maximum store up to 330 kbps. Whereas FLAC audio codecs can store up to 1400 kbps, and hence we can also hear some extra sounds in this codecs. So if you listen to the normal MP3 songs, I suggest you to turn off this LDAC as we are not using them. Now regarding the battery life, I have to say if we use it in the normal mode, we get up to 10 hours continuously, and if we use it in the LDAC mode, then we will get only 5.5 hours. This earphone supports fast charging also, as they are coming with the Type-C earphones and they are tested with the 15-watt fast charging and they completely charge in 27 minutes. Where from 0 to 70 in 15 and the remaining 30% in the remaining time. If you normally charge with the normal charger, they take up to 55 minutes. The battery life may also vary depending on your volume level. I have to say that the volume is little low in these earphones and I had to hear them at 80% of the volume. Before I used to hear 60% in my old earphones. Another feature which everyone missed in these earphones is the quick switch feature. These earphones had that option, and for that quick switch we need to press and hold the volume up and down buttons, and it happens fastly. So finally, when we come to the conclusion, I have to say that if you are a music lover and continuously listen to the music, this is the one you have to choose. And if you buy it for other purpose, for example like calling, and if you want more battery life, this is not the one, as we are getting just 6 hours of battery life. So if you want more amount of battery life, I suggest you to go for OnePlus Z, as we are getting 20 hours of battery life with them. So for this 2000 rupees, when we consider the build quality, audio quality, battery and all, I have to say this is a decent earphones in this price range. So that's all for this review guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.